Let's draw a watermelon. Your hard work is paying off.
Wow!
Let's color in. Keep it up, you're doing fantastic.
Yeah!
You're so good at drawing. All done.
Bye-bye!